Assalamualaikum to all viewers and dear students. Once again Maqbool Islam is in front of you. Today we have a new square root problem, how we can calculate the value of x, 3 index of x plus 3 index of x plus 19 is equal to 5. How we can find the value of x is unknown. Square root problem today. So first of all, if we check, and here square root is 3 index of x and 3 index of x plus 19. So how we can find? We can take the supposition in here. For example, so let's suppose that we take and here 3 index of x is equal to, consider as y, and 3 index of x plus 19 is equal to, we consider this will be equal to z. Now we are taking the cube of on each sides of this equation, and similarly, and 3 index of x plus 19 is the cube of on both sides of both equation. So this will be, we can write x 1 by 3 and 3 is equal to y cube, and similarly we can change this into the reciprocal form, and here as a whole cube is equal to z cube. So this will is cancel. It means in here we get the value of x is equal to y cube, and x plus 19 is, this is also cancelled, is equal to z cube. Now we take given first equation and also the second equation. This result, now look here, here is x and here is also x. If we subtract both result to each other, subtracting 2 and first, to get the result x plus 19 is equal to z cube, and similarly, and here x is equal to y cube. If we are subtracting, so their sign is also changing here. This will be cancelled and we get 19 is equal to z cube minus y cube. Now further we can also substitute the result of z is also y cube. If we change this result in here, x z minus x, z cube minus y cube. Now we take the value of, and here we substitute the value of z. Z have already, and here equation number A. Now equation number first and second we substitute in equation number for A. Put equation number first and second and equation number A. So, and here we get this, we have already taken supposition y plus z is equal to 5. Now, and here we can put the value of, and here y or z, so we can change z is equal to and 5 minus y. We give equation number third. Now equation number third, substitute in equation number B we give, and here equation number B, put to equation third and equation number B. So 19 is equal to z cube, and z, in the place of z we put 5 minus y whole cube minus y cube. Now simplify this result. 19 is equal to, we are using in here a cube minus b whole cube formula, 5 cube minus y cube minus 3a square b and plus 3a and y square minus y cube. 19 is equal to, we get here 125 and minus y cube and minus y cube, we get minus 2y cube, and this will be equal to 25. 25 multiplied 75y plus and 15y square. Now we arrange the term according to the cubic equation in here. Minus 2y cube plus 15y square minus 75y and plus 125 minus 19 is equal to 0. We transfer this result. Cube plus 15y square minus 75y. We subtract this result, and here we get 6, 11, 106 is equal to 0. Y cube minus 15y square plus 75y minus 100, 0 is equal to 0. Minus 1, we get 2y cube minus 15y square plus 75y and minus 100, 6 is equal to 0. Now we take the polynomial. We are finding the factor of this one because in here the cubic equation is available. So now we are polynomial of py 2y cube minus 15y square plus 75y and 106. Now we try to make, if we put the value of y is equal to 0, plus minus 1 and plus minus 2 up to so on. Now if we check and consider put y is equal to 0, this will be equal to 0. So we get the last term is minus 106, that is also not equal to 0. Similarly, if we put in here 1, so we get 2 and minus 15, minus 13. So this result is also equal, not equal to. If we check directly, put the value of, if we put y is equal to 2 in above equation is reduces in the form of 2y cube minus 15 and 2 square plus 75 and 2 minus 106. Of 2 is equal to, this will be 8 multiplied by 16 and 4 multiplied by minus 60. And similarly 150 minus 106. So if we check this result, we get 166 minus 166, both are cancelled, is equal to 0. Now it means that y minus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial. So it means that, so their remainder must be equal to 0, so y is equal to 2. Now we are using synthetic division method. In this method we are trying to make taking the coefficient of the highest power of the variable, and here is 2. We remove and here 2, and also in here is 2 terms. So we try to make and here by synthetic division method. So now we have already taken y is equal to 2. Now we are the method of, and here we are using the method is the first integer we are in here bring directly, and here 2 multiply by this term, so we get 4, and adding this term we get minus 11. Minus 11 is again multiplied by this 2, so we get minus 22. If we add this result, so we get 3 and 5. So again we multiply by this 2, we get 106. If we add, so the result is 0. Remainder is in here 0. Now it means that this is the value of constant value, and this is the variable y power value, and this is the variable of y square. So we get reduced in the form of 2y square minus 11y plus 53. This is the another factor, plus minus 11y plus 53 is equal to 0. Now we are using the quadratic formula. First of all, we have the formula y is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by 2a. We are needed to the real part. First we are finding the discriminant term. What is the result of this term? We get the real or imaginary part. So, and here if we compare, here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 11 and c is equal to 53. So, d is equal to b square, b is equal to minus 11 square minus 4 into 2 into 53. So, we get n 121 and 8 we multiply by 53. So, we get 24. We get, and here imaginary part, we get negative numbers. So the result is, and real part does not exist in here, but we have the real part. We get the factor is that one, y is equal to 2. But we have 3 index of x is equal to y we have found 2. So now taking, again we can apply in here, taking square root and a cube, taking cube on both sides. So this will be cancelled, this will is, we get 8 and x is 3 and whole cube is equal to 8. This is cancelled, we get the solution of x is equal to 8. And also we have y plus z is equal to 5, and in place of y we have, if we put y is equal to 2, z is equal to 5, z is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. This is the value of z, but in b equation, so y plus z is equal to 5. Here y is equal to, the result is 2 and z is equal to 3. So it means that our answer is correct. This is the verification of this method. If we are, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.